Today we'll discuss how we can create our first AI agent using Microsoft Azure. So this is the official website of Microsoft. This is the link. Uh, when we open this link, here are the very simple steps. Within few minutes, or you can say within 10 to 15 minutes, you can create a AI agent. First of all, when you want to create a agent using Azure AI, you need to log in to this URL. When you will open this URL, you need to enter your email and password. If you have not any account, then you can create an account on it. So when your account will be created here, so if I open this URL, I am already logged in here. For example, I am just copying this URL and like this. So as I have already created my account in it, so it will not ask me for username and password. It will auto detect my username and password. So when you open this interface, in left menu there are several options, but you need to click on any one option. That name is the agents. When we click here, one very important thing, when you click on agent, by default it create a one agent. This is the system default agent, so don't worry about that. For example, this one, I created one agent, but it's showing me the two agents. So this one is the default agents of the system. So don't so leave this as it is. This is the my agent that I have created a few minutes ago. If I click here, if I click here, you can see there are the several options. So let me create an other agent just to explain how it was created. First of all, I will click on the new agent. So I'm giving it a name of agent. It will give it by default a name of agent name. So I am expense expense claim. So I am creating a agent. Using that agent, user can claim their expenses. So I have given a name of expense claim. So this is the description. Give your agent clear description. We need to provide some text here as a instruction. Give your agent clear instruction what to do and how to do. Include specific task, their order, something like that. So if we come on the website, you can see these are the steps. I click on the, if you can see, these are all the steps. Azure subscription, I have already passed this. So if I click on, when we create select create and wait for the project is created. If prompted, deploy agent model global standards tokens per limits. These are basically a setting. When we set up account Azure, there are some settings that we need to apply. So if you click on the create agent, you can see now you have a model, and this is the file. This is a file. In this file we have some information that I have already downloaded. If I open this document, you can see expenses claim. Basically this is the document. In document, a company has provided all the policies related to the expenses. So basically using this agent, we are going to give a one file to the agent. It will be treated as a data set, and it will provide us some instruction as per the document that is fed into the system. So return the, okay, it's I have given name already. These are the instruction. So I'm just copying the instruction. In first step I give a name, then I copy the instruction. So these are the all the instruction that I am giving to the agent. So after instruction is say uh, we have already given a name, we have already selected the model. When we develop an agent, we need to select the model. So we selected this model. So these are the instruction. We need to provide the instruction and agent description. So after that we have the button of knowledge. So if we click here, first option is here is the some description that we can give to the agent as well. There are some instruction and there are some description. So let me copy the all thing from the here instruction, and these are the instruction. Copy, and let me copy here. Okay, this agent is to claim the expenses. Just remember. Okay, when you click on the button of knowledge, you can see here they have provided some steps. We need to identify this one, this one, this one, and next they are saying uh, during the setup of the agent we need to create we need to set the knowledge plus add button, add knowledge, file, adding file policy. So like that. So I am going to click here knowledge. If I click here add button, so here we are deciding our from where agent take our information. So we have uploaded a file here. This is the name of the vector. We can use existing name whatever. So let me select the file that I have downloaded. Basically this file is the data that we are giving to the model that use this file to provide data. So you can see uh, you can open expense limit 500, guideline per night, accommodation, meal. So they are the different thing, expense category, limit, guideline. So rather than we uh, we are just fetching data from this. Okay, and if I am here, so I have completed this. Other action is the action. In action we are deciding from here when agent use data what it should do. It use the open API, Azure Logic or something else. Right now we are using a read and interpret information from the data set. So in previous step we added the data set as a word file to the agent. So we are just adding the code interpreter here and simply click on the save button. Okay, so now our agent is created, and if we click here try in the background, if I click here using this we can test our agent. Now our agent is loading first time. So as per instruction he says try the I would like to submit a claim for a mail. So I just copy the instruction, type a user query here. So right now we have opened the agent, and we are saying I would like to submit a claim for a mail. So I am passing the instruction to the my AI agent. So AI agent says me this is the response from the app. Your email address, please provide the following detail to your claim submission. Your email asifjahan@gmail.com is my email. It's I enter the we provide the description of the claim. In next step I ate pizza in 500. So so I have given instruction and click here. Looking for your claim have been submitted. You can download. So chatbot has chatbot has took our information and provided us the define the claim detail, expenses details, email. So it given me it have given me output. So so our and so our agent give me a response and show me this information. I can also download. Please download my claim. No, I'm saying in the chat, but please download. Okay, you okay? So it give me a link of download. But right now you can see if I click here, this is the information that I recently given. So chatbot have given this information. Basically, what agent is doing here? Agent is the making the process automatic. So instead of some people will come and go to the other person and will say, please do something like that. So agent will is doing this information on the behalf of our data set. But if I type something else here, my agent will be also same some how I want to enjoy holidays. Suggest me some good places. So right now you can see I have given. So now you can see I given the irrelevant information to the chatbot, but it returned the result as type of the holidays budget something like that. So our agent will be reply us from the our database and from his own database as well. So we can play with the agent like this.